Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 most reliable cars you can buy for under $20,000. Finding a car that's both affordable and dependable can be a real challenge, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a daily commuter, or just someone who values reliability, this list has something for everyone. We'll be taking a look at each car's history, its strong points, and any potential quirks you should be aware of. So buckle up and let's get started on this journey to find your next reliable ride without putting a massive dent in your wallet. First up on our list of the most reliable used cars you can buy today is a true icon in the world of automobiles of reliable cars, the Honda Civic. This car has been a favorite among drivers for decades. Known for its bulletproof engines and exceptional build quality, the Civic has consistently delivered outstanding performance and overall longevity. The interior is also well designed, offering comfort and modern features. It has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable cars on the road, making it a top choice for many. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a road trip, the Honda Civic is a dependable companion. You might be thinking, can I even find a decent Civic for under $20,000? The answer is yes. The used market is brimming with well-maintained Civics from previous years. These cars have been taken care of by their previous owners, ensuring they still have plenty of life left in them. Think about it, a 2015 or even a 2017 Civic for under $20,000? That's a steal. These models come with advanced safety features and modern technology, making them a great value for the price. Plus, with its reputation for fuel efficiency, you'll be saving money at the pump. The Civic's fuel economy is one of the best in its class, making it an economical choice for daily driving. So if you're looking for a used car under $20,000 that you can depend on for years to come, the Honda Civic should be at the top of your list. Its combination of reliability, affordability, and efficiency is hard to beat. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own one of the best used cars available. The Honda Civic is truly the gold standard of reliability in the used car market. Make sure to check it out and see for yourself why it's such a beloved vehicle. Coming in at a close second on our list is another giant of reliability, the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is known for its simplicity and its unwavering commitment to doing the basics exceptionally well. It's like that reliable friend who always shows up on time and never lets you down. One of the Corolla's biggest strengths is its low cost of ownership. Not only is it affordable to buy, but it's also incredibly cheap to maintain. Recent models have stepped up their game in terms of styling and features, proving that you can have both reliability and a bit of fun behind the wheel. Overall, the Toyota Corolla is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a no-frills, dependable car that will stand the test of time. Now, for those who crave a bit more excitement in their lives without sacrificing reliability, we have the Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 has always been the sportier, more stylish sibling in the world of compact cars. But don't let its athleticism fool you. The Mazda 3 is no delicate flower. Mazda has made significant strides in recent years in terms of build quality and long-term dependability. From its responsive steering to its well-tuned suspension, the Mazda 3 is a joy to drive. It offers a comfortable and surprisingly upscale interior for its class, plenty of technology features, and excellent fuel economy. So, if you're looking for a reliable car that doesn't skimp on style or driving enjoyment, the Mazda 3 is an excellent choice. Next up, we have a car that's renowned for its all-weather capability and adventurous spirit, the Subaru Impreza. The Impreza has gained a loyal following over the years thanks in large part to its standard all-wheel drive system. Whether you live in an area with harsh winters or enjoy exploring off the beaten path, the Impreza has you covered. But the Impreza's appeal goes beyond its all-weather prowess. It's also known for its safety features, its comfortable ride, and its reputation for reliability. With its spacious interior and available hatchback body style, it's practical enough for everyday use. So, if you're looking for a reliable car that can handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way, the Subaru Impreza is an excellent choice. Moving on, we have a car that's been making waves in the automotive world with its blend of modern features, stylish design, and impressive reliability, the Hyundai Elantra. This car has managed to capture the attention of both critics and consumers alike. Hyundai has come a long way, transforming itself from a budget brand to a serious contender in the mainstream market. The Elantra is a testament to Hyundai's commitment to quality and innovation. The Elantra offers a lot of bang for your buck, featuring a spacious interior and user-friendly technology. With a long list of standard features including advanced safety systems and a high-quality infotainment setup, and a reputation for reliability. Owners have praised its durability and low maintenance costs. One of the things that sets the Elantra apart is its warranty. Hyundai offers one of the best warranties in the business, covering the vehicle for an extended period and providing comprehensive coverage, providing owners with added peace of mind. This level of assurance is rare in the automotive industry. With its responsive handling, comfortable ride, and available turbocharged engine, the Elantra proves that you don't have to sacrifice driving enjoyment for practicality. It strikes a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. So, if you're looking for a reliable car that's packed with features and offers excellent value, the Elantra should be at the top of your list. The Hyundai Elantra is a compelling choice. Its combination of style, technology, and reliability makes it a standout in its class. If you're looking for a car that stands out from the crowd and offers a healthy dose of personality, look no further than the Kia Soul. The Soul has always marched to the beat of its own drum with its boxy yet charming design, but the Soul's appeal goes beyond just its quirky styling. It's also surprisingly spacious for its size, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Underneath its funky exterior, the Soul is a solid and reliable car. Kia has made significant strides in recent years in terms of quality and dependability. So, if you're looking for a reliable car that's packed with personality and offers surprising practicality, the Kia Soul is an excellent choice. Up next, we have a car that offers a compelling blend of comfort, technology, and reliability, the Ford Fusion. The Fusion has long been a staple of the mid-size sedan segment. It's a car that excels in everyday driving, providing a comfortable ride and a spacious interior. One of the things that sets the Fusion apart is its refined driving experience. It glides over bumps and dips in the road with ease, making it a serene and relaxing car to drive. Inside, the Fusion's cabin is well-appointed and user-friendly, with a suite of advanced safety features. So, if you're looking for a reliable car that's comfortable, spacious, and packed with features, the Ford Fusion is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a car that prioritizes a smooth and comfortable ride above all else, look no further than the Chevrolet Malibu. The Malibu has always been known for its refined driving dynamics, but the Malibu's appeal goes beyond just its comfortable ride. It's also a stylish and well-rounded car that offers a spacious interior and a user-friendly infotainment system. One of the things that makes the Malibu so appealing is its value proposition. It comes standard with a long list of features, including a touchscreen infotainment system and advanced safety features. So if you're looking for a reliable car that prioritizes comfort and offers a smooth and refined ride, the Chevrolet Malibu is an excellent choice. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency and affordability, the Nissan Sentra is a compelling choice. The Sentra has long been a contender in the compact sedan segment, known for its value proposition and its reputation for reliability. One of the things that sets the Sentra apart is its fuel-efficient powertrain. Its four-cylinder engine delivers impressive gas mileage, making it an excellent choice for commuters. But the Sentra's appeal goes beyond just its fuel efficiency. It's also a comfortable and surprisingly spacious car for its size, with a well-designed and user-friendly cabin. So if you're looking for a reliable car that's fuel-efficient, affordable, and surprisingly spacious, the Nissan Sentra is an excellent choice. Last but not least, we have a car that brings a touch of European flair to the world of reliable sedans, the Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta has long been a popular choice for those seeking a refined driving experience and a well-crafted interior. One of the things that sets the Jetta apart is its composed and comfortable ride. But the Jetta isn't just about comfort, it's also surprisingly fun to drive with precise steering and agile handling. Inside, the Jetta's cabin is well-designed and driver-focused, with upscale materials for its class. So if you're looking for a reliable car that offers a touch of European sophistication and a reputation for dependability, the Volkswagen Jetta is an excellent choice. So there you have it, our top 10 picks for the most reliable cars you can find for under $20,000. These vehicles have been carefully selected based on their performance, durability, and overall value for money. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to add another car to your family fleet, these options won't disappoint. From the legendary Honda Civic to the stylish Mazda 3 and the adventurous Subaru Impreza, there's a car on this list for every need and budget. Each of these models has earned a reputation for reliability and longevity, making them excellent choices for anyone in the market for a dependable vehicle. Remember, buying a used car doesn't have to be a gamble. With proper research and a bit of patience, you can find a pre-owned vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Always check the vehicle's history and have it inspected by a trusted mechanic. By choosing a car with a proven track record of reliability, you can have peace of mind knowing that your new-to-you ride will provide you with miles of dependable service. These cars are known for their low maintenance costs and high resale value, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. If this video has been helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights and reviews. We regularly post content to help you make informed decisions about your next vehicle purchase. Let us know in the comments which of these reliable rides you'd choose and why. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy car hunting!